light. Brake light is used to brake the light to stop and brake light. Brake light is light up when brake pedal pass a signal that the vehicle is slowing down or stopping. Signal light used for turning left or right the vehicles. Reverse light used to turn on the light to change the gear vehicles if you need.
Sige.
Side mirror adjusts the side mirror angle to see the back. Open the door. This is door is open and closed. This is a seat. If you sit the seat, you can sit. Steering wheel. Steering wheel is used to control the direction of the vehicles. It's a horn. Ayan.
Sige.
A dashboard. This is a dashboard. Display important information like speed, fuel level, and warning lights. Speed meter. This is used to show the fast vehicle is moving.
Start.
This is a gear. Allow the driver to change gear, drive, reverse, park, and neutral. Pedals. This is pedals to increase the speed limits and to pass. And this is a speed brake. Slow down or stop the vehicles.
Ano ni?
So ini
Clutch.
clutch. So this is a clutch. Clutch manual helps the change or gear. Ayun, so pa. This is engine to start and stop the car.
Yan na. Sige.
This is a rear mirror to use the see the back. Pulos.
Para sa kuan, silaw.
This is to shield the sun. Seat belts is keep fans safe during sudden stop or accident. This is a seat. Seat is provide seating for the drivers and passenger.
Sige.
This is air vents to clean the board of the truck.